Yesterday, I decided to experiment with a new YouTube Shorts channel. After doing some research, I started the channel and uploaded 2 videos. Within the first 24 hours, I got 530 views and 4 subscribers, which I didn't expect. This proved one thing to me. The quiz niche is one of the easiest and best niches to go viral on YouTube. So, I've decided to make more quiz videos and upload them daily. My goal is to hit 1,000 subscribers in 30 days. My question to you guys is, who's ready to join me in this challenge? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to start a new YouTube Shorts channel in the quiz niche. Step 1. Research and create quiz content. By deciding on your niche. There are tons of subcategories like general knowledge IQ questions, science sports, e.g., football quizzes, celebrities, influencers, singers, actors, politicians. You can even combine niches like football pools quizzes or celebrities pools quizzes. Get creative. There are endless possibilities. Step 2. Generate quiz questions. I'm using 2 tools for this process, DeepSeek AI and VUB AI. Open DeepSeek AI and use this prompt, just adjust it for your niche. Once you have your questions and answer options, move to VUB AI. Step 3. Create the quiz video. In VUB AI, choose the quiz template. Add a hook at the beginning, like, if you get all the questions right, you're in the top 5%. Add the questions and answer options. Select the correct answers. Add an ending comment like, comment how many questions you got right. Step 4. Customize the video. Adjust the AI voice, speed and pitch. Change text style, font, size, color. Add a background image or video. Stock footage works great. Include background music and adjust the volume. Step 5. Upload and stay consistent. Upload at least 2 videos per day. By the end of 30 days, you'll have 60 videos, and I'm confident you'll hit 1,000 subscribers. If you're starting this challenge with me, drop a comment.
If you answer all the questions correctly, you belongs to 5% of the population. Which planet in our solar system is known for having the most extensive ring system? B. Saturn. Which ancient civilization is credited with building the Great Pyramid of Giza? C. Egyptians. What is the smallest country in the world by land area? C. Vatican City. Which famous scientist developed the theory of general relativity? C. Albert Einstein. Which ocean is the largest by surface area? D. Pacific Ocean. Comment how many questions you got right.